Forget everything you know about construction. Today, you will see people who are taking things to the next level. So buckle up, because we're going to show you the most ingenious construction workers that are on another level, proving that when it comes to craftsmanship, the sky's the limit. First up, watch as this master craftsman cures your OCD with the most satisfying drain lid opening you'll ever see. You like how fast this worker puts together these wooden slabs using a pallet gun with almost machine-like accuracy. This guy has definitely been dividing slates for quite some time. His technique with the chisel and hammer is genuinely ingenious. We love seeing some satisfying corner fittings. This worker uses a cordless compound saw to ensure a snug fit. It's picture perfect. Who says you need actual stone to build a stone wall? This ingenious construction worker uses a uniform concrete layer to get the job done. No ladder? No problem. This worker never broke a sweat or missed a shot while applying plaster on the wall. Impressive. We bring you yet another satisfying wooden floor installation video. Take a look at this team's impeccable concrete laying job. Look how evenly it's applied, even on the steps near the pool's entrance. This bricklayer knows how to hand a trowel well and how much cement he needs per brick. Nothing wasted. Now that's some smooth and satisfying work. You'll love how satisfying this cement mason's work is. He uses a nylon broom to give the concrete a smooth finish. There's just something incredibly satisfying about watching a stone wall design come to life. Just look at the attention to detail here. Here's some shotcrete action for you guys. This worker knows how to perfectly level the concrete for a uniform look. This is how you waterproof your staircase using liquid plastic and quartz sand. You might even think that bricklaying is an easy job. It isn't. Trust us on that. This guy is just very good at it. Who needs a nail gun when you've got as much practice and precision with a nail and hammer as this worker? Check out this pro worker as he applies epoxy coating on a warehouse floor to make it more dust resistant and more accessible to clean. Applying bitumen on your roofs is an excellent way to ensure that your roof lasts for at least 20 years without facing any weather damage. Have you ever seen a smoother wallpaper installation? Both layers merge without any gaps or rough edges. That's how a pro gets it done. If you want a cozy and soundproof room, getting your roof spray foam with low-density open-cell SPF is a good route. Once the worker finishes the fence with his nail gun, the Karate Kid can start painting it. This worker demonstrates what a perfect 3D tiling job would look like where the gaps are equal on all sides. Building a patio and need ideas? Check out how well this worker builds his patio using the Blue Grande patio slabs, an excavator, and a suction tool to handle the slabs. Easy peasy. These ingenious workers use a stencil pattern before applying the concrete layer on the driveway and then peel it off piece by piece for a cool, blocky effect. Watch as this expert welder casually splits the metal beam in half. The beam split violently because of the heat built around the central line. This ingenious worker will show you how to make a cobblestone path without using cobblestones. You can use stone-shaped concrete, paint, and sand to get the same effect. That's how you can make a round cut in a drywall to give the fitting a more uniform look. This construction worker uses an ingenious tool to create an even base of rigid mortar on the floor or rooftop. Pebble dashing is an old but ingenious method used to cover the outer walls to protect them from weathering and cracking. We've shown you how you can use pebble dashing on your walls. Now let's look at a fast way of removing popcorn walls. Keep scraping it in big chunks and it'll come right off. Have you ever seen a smoother way of stripping 10 by 6 tiles from a roof? You work smart and uses the lower tile to wedge and strip the entire diagonal row. Leveling the floor with a toilet seat installed is a terrible idea, but his technique with a finishing trowel is not bad at all. This construction worker uses a crimper to combine different metal pieces and make the whole process look smooth. You are watching a professional who curves porcelain tiles using a tile cutter to give the patio an exquisite and sleek look. The worker finishes shaping a concrete curb using a handheld curb trowel and shaves off excess concrete in the most satisfying way possible. Look at how precisely this worker cuts these slate tiles using a hammer. This guy applies a fresh coat of paint on the court floor. A speedy worker applies drywall tapes on the ceiling just before applying the joint compound second coating. Stilts sure come in clutch in these situations. Next up, molten tar is used to seal road cracks. No more bumpy roads. This worker swiftly applies wooden flooring using a tapping block to ensure all the pieces fit correctly and cleat nailers to hold them in place. For the last entry, we bring you the hottest installation job. The guy knows what he's doing, a genuinely ingenious worker. Hey, before you hit that accelerator and speed off, can you tap that subscribe button for more fun videos like this? And hey, if you want to stick around, there are some more videos on your screen.